Well, good morning everybody. I had to water my plants and stuff. The sun's coming up and I'm heading back up to Eustis up there to help my brother with some countertops today. So follow me and let's go do that. That's what Harold's up to today. Let's go. Well, as you can see, the one end of the countertop's already broke loose down here at the other end. I'm going to get on one end, he's going to get on the other end, and we're going to lift that piece out of there. We've already taken it loose. And so the plumbing and everything is still under there. We just disconnected it from the water supply and disconnected the drain pipes. So it should come out pretty easy. So we're just going to lift that right up and carry it outside. But, oops. Okay, so the drain pipes are kind of in the way. We disconnected it, but we was trying to leave as much intact as we could. So now I'm going to get under there and disconnect the pipes from the sink and just lay that in the bottom of the cabinet there so we can get it out a little bit easier. That looks good. Okay, so let's try this again. Come on, brother, let's get this out of here. Easy peasy. Oh, wait a minute. The water supply line kind of connected on the copper pipe sticking out, so I got to get that loose. There you go. I think I got it now. So now we're just going to carry that right outside and take the sink out of that one. So when we cut the hole in the new countertop, we can just put the sink right back in the new countertop. No problem. Now we're just going to lay the new top up there, and we took the old top, laid it on top of the new top, and we just marked where the cutout is for the sink. And we're going to cut that out and then put the sink right in it right there in place. So now we just took the circular saw. I muted it so you wouldn't have to hear the saw and the vacuum cleaner going. And we're just going to cut that out on those lines that we just drew with that circular saw, and then we're going to come back and get the corners with a jigsaw. So I'm just going to speed this up real quick and then I'll be right back. And the old water supplies were leaking, so I've got the tubing cutter there and I'm cutting that off, and I'm going to clean that up and put what we call shark bite water connector on there, water shut-off valve, and they work real good. You don't have to do any soldering or anything like that. So this is going to take me just a few seconds to get this off, and then we're going to clean that up. And now we got the sink set back in place. We got the water supply lines there connected. Got the drain line all connected. We're all ready to go. Yeah, we did put some plumber's putty under the sink. Hey, so that concludes what's Harold up to today. I helped my brother put that countertop in and put the sink in, put 2 new water valves on, and now I'm gonna relax. Hey, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the video, and check out my website at WorldTVonDemand.com. I'll have another video for you soon. You guys have a great day.